Welcome back to our beginner English course. In the last class, you learned how to talk about time using words like morning, today, every day. Today, in class 13, you will learn how to talk about places in English. Place words help us describe where actions happen. Part 1. Vocabulary. At home, in your house. At work, at your job or office. In school, inside the school building. Outside, not inside, in the open air. In the park, inside a park. Pause the video and read these words once. Part 2. Using place words in sentences. I am at home. She is at work. They are in school. We are outside. He is in the park. These sentences tell where someone is now or usually. Part 3. Speaking practice. Now speak with me. I am. He is. She is. They are. Use your own words to describe places. Mini revision. Today you learned how to use at home, at work, in school, outside, in the park. How to describe where actions happen. How to use place words with present simple and present continuous. Next class preview. In class 14, you will learn how to talk about likes and dislikes, using phrases like I like, I don't like. Practice speaking about places every day. Subscribe and continue this beginner English course step by step.